Arabic Alphanoidz.
And away we go, back into it. Excuse me. So, see this little thing down here? That shows you have a transparent background. If you press Control K, Command K, or whatever it is, you can change the background color. So obviously that's not a layer that's going to appear, it's a transparent layer. Control K again, give them a bit of breathing room. So just open that up a little bit like that. And you can see there's some space. I'm giving it some space there because we want to animate that a little bit. We move the pan behind anchor point, this little thing here, drag that over there. So that means that will rotate from that point. And same over here. I think his head is a whole point as well. Let me see. See, he looks, you know what he looks like? Now that I see him, he looks like the honey monster. Honey monster. Yeah, man. It's him. Who there? That was the man when I was growing up. That's what the well, not 1977. Honey Monster. Let me see, 1984. 1984. George Orwell's Honey Monster. There you go. The Sugar Puffs. That was what was he should have been called the Sugar Monster. Okay.
Happy Monster's hunting for a sticker and swap card. Read every special pack of Sugar Puffs so we can stick the stickers and swap the animal cards.
There we go. Stop the video.
Got an elephant.
Yeah, maybe we could do it that way. Right, so the most basic animation that we can do here is it's this. So we have his arm here and his other arm. Just make them a different color so we can see. Yellow. Sorry. Like that. So that layer is selected. Press Option P, Option R, or whatever, Command Option, whatever it is. You know what I'm talking about. They're adding a keyframe. Listen, don't take After Effects advice from me. Holy smokes, I am the worst. So we have keyframes here for position and rotation, and we move this down to the end, and it's the very same again. Now, let's trim that again. I think there you go. That phone call was my wife telling me to start making lunch, and salmon. Now I'm biting my lip here because I'd love to talk about something very funny involving salmon. I don't know. Ever meet me? Ask me about it. Well, we have 3 control anchor points. What do you call them? Keyframes. And if you just rotate it like that, copy these to put them back where they were. Yeah, okay. And then this one, Option P, because he's just going to move up and down. He's not going to do anything special. This character could be rigged beautifully. And if you want me to send you the files, I'll do it. You can do it yourself, man. I used to love dicking around in spine, esoteric spine, but it's just a massive. Oh whoa, time's up. No more goofing around. So what we're gonna do is select these 2 yellow ones and see the pick tool here. There you go, just a little bit like that. And keep his head in place. So it looks as if he's breathing, you know. It's like and this arm should be like swinging a little bit. Just a little bit. There you go. Wait a minute, that's dopey looking. Hey, what's going on here? There you go. Let's see, go back like that. Hold on. Work area, extend the way. There you go, work area. There you go. So you can see that when you play it back, it's mad pixelated because it's resolution here. If you go like this, go back to full, you'll see it plays better. Not bad, not great. No. For what it is, it will do. And then his head is just going to move up and down a little bit. Yeah, I was saying about spine. I used to use spine on a daily basis, and I absolutely love dicking around the spine. You know what I mean? It's like a hobby, but I haven't used it in about, about 2 years. Well, actually, no, I made the creative session for Affinity during the lockdown. I used some spinach in that, but that was the last time. You can see his hand is running off to the right there, the left or whatever it is. You know, still it's when left and right don't exist to me. And apparently, either does height because I'm pressing the wrong. Sorry for cursing. There you go. There you go. Right, let's give it a little play there. Tell him about the honey, mummy. Wait a minute. His shoulder is in there too. I think we have an extra layer here to play with. That one's in there. Oh, okay. So what we can do is, again, we can get the pick whip tool and move it to the body. Man, I'm sure I had these named. Did I have these named? No. Group. What a twit. Telling you. One of my New Year's resolutions. Well, some of them are private, but one of them was to name my layers. And I don't know. Can't do it. I'm just not. I don't know. I don't know what the word is. I'm a nincompoop. A high functioning nincompoop. But a happy one. I have to say, I'm very content in all these antics. You know what I mean? Could be worse. I always think like I could be working on crappy projects that I really don't care about, which I've done. Oh, nice. Look at that big blob behind his arm. Let's try it like that. Yeah. Oh, this is dopey looking, but for what, lad? For what it is, it's good. The other thing is to select all of your keyframes and then go easy ease, and that should improve things. Yeah. Easy ease is like, you know, the barbecue sauce of the After Effects game. You know, you just smear it all over everything and it just, you know, covers up the cracks. Right, that'll do. Right, I'm gonna go make me salmon. Links below. Alright, bye.